Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building with another video. And right now, we got another Watch Gang unboxing. But before I get to that, shout out to the homeboy Miguel from SoCal Watch Reviews, Dave, Just a Watch. Check them out. I'll leave a link down in the description, you know what I'm saying, to their channels. Subscribe, show them some love. But yo, we gonna flip this and get into this Watch Gang unboxing. Hold on. Before I get into the unboxing, I'm wearing an Invicta Reserve Lotus with the carbon fiber all over it. That shit hot. It's banging. Let's get into this watch unboxing, man. All right, and here we go. We gonna go ahead and open up this package right quick and see what we got. Let's get it. Right. Take that out. Take out the little monthly flyer. Sky's the limit. You know, or what they say for some people, the limit's the sky. So, alright, what we got here? Okay. Interesting. This one crazy looking packaging, but let's go ahead and open this up. See what we got. How do you open this joint? I don't know. What the hell? Hold on, yo. Is that it? Okay, here we go. Alright. We have a what is this? Tavon? Is that what that says? Let me get a closer look at this. Wait a minute. Let's see. Let's get some information out of here right quick. Let's see what's up. There's the watch. Yoda Universal, was born in Japan. Okay. What's the name of the watch, though? That's some small ass handwriting. Can y'all see that? It look like it says Tavon. Okay. Yeah, Tavon it looks like. Okay. Alright, let's see. Look like a little gunmetal going on. The bracelet seemed pretty solid. Standard class, of course. Let's see we get a good look at the back. Stainless steel back, 3 ATM water resistant, Japan movement. Bezel does not rotate. The dial look pretty cool. Chronograph look pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove all this plastic and shit. And we're gonna try this joint on the wrist. So just stand by for a minute. Alright, and here it go, people. Tavon, never heard of him, but this is a pretty decent watch. I'm feeling it. You know what I mean? What's crazy is, and then I ain't got to take no links out of it. It fit right on my arm. So, yo, that's how it looks on the wrist. All right. You know what I mean? So, we're going to go look up a little information on this brand. You know what I'm saying? So just hold on for a second. Yo. So apparently this brand has no website that I can see, but I found a reference for it on a site that directed me straight to Amazon, and Amazon said that these watches are only purchased through a third party, whatever that may mean, but Amazon are selling them for $129. So, you know, get into it. It's an okay watch. I'm feeling it. You know what I mean? But I think I'm gonna give this one to my daughter. You know what I mean? I think she'll enjoy this one more than I will. So, you know, this your boy P. Ross, and I'm out. Peace out.